So these gas shocks aren't holding up my hatch anymore. So right now I've got my door propped up with a strap and I'm going to replace these. So I got these. These are Lift Support Depot brand. And you just want to hold them up, make sure they're the same size, and these are. So I'm going to pop these off. Alright, once you've done that, the whole thing should pop free. And there's another clip like this right at the bottom. Alright, and the new one installs the same way. Just kind of pull the clip out a little bit. Drops on. Make sure the clip is fit back in. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing here. And this can rotate a little bit. Kind of lift the door to get it in place. Push it in. And then lock it down. Alright, over here we'll do more of the same. Pop the clip, pull it out. Cool. So now I can remove the harness. It stays up.